Ready? What do you want to say? So very first, good morning. A very, very good morning to you all, dear students. So today just we are going to start here the activity that is the express. You have to express your expressions but in opposite direction. You know that you have understood it the final day to conduct this activity. And you know why we are doing this? Actually in this present scenario, keep in mind, if you don't know 360-degree English, there is no guarantee that you can get success, you can hit the target, you can get your goal in the future. For hitting the target, for getting our goal, it is compulsory to learn 360-degree English. And this is our aim, to give you, to provide you 360-degree English. The meaning of 360-degree English is this: we have to study literature, grammar, and as well as literature and grammar only English to English. Very first we studied the topic of syntax, and now we are going to have an activity based on the topic and a language. And the activity is this: you have to express your expressions in opposite directions, right? And when you will express your views in the same directions, likewise yes and you say yes, likewise no, you say no, you will be out of this activity. And finally we will have a winner. Ready? Ready? Let's start. So very first, Miss Ladu, how are you?
Good.
Speak louder. How are you?
Good.
Where were you?
In Fatehpur.
Fatehpur?
Yes, sir.
What was the work?
Sir, my relative's house.
What?
Sir, my relative's house.
What was going on there?
Sir, I went there for fun or
Do you like your
enjoying.
relative's house?
Yes.
Do you like your relative's house?
Yes.
Yes. Very first she said yes.
I was like you are talking about that.
Sorry, please. Sorry, Falak. This is just only a trapping. Please sit down. This is your trap. No, not on the stool. Downside. You're right. You have to sit haunching like a farmer. And now we are moving towards another man. The man is the gentleman. The gentleman is Mr. Yes. Mr. Yes, how are you?
I'm fine.
Are you okay?
No, sir.
No, sir. Very good. Fantastic. No, sir. No, sir. Fantastic. Very cheap person. Sit down now, please. Fantastic. Quickly we can hit. And now, how are you, gentlemen?
I'm good, sir.
All right, Mr. Prince.
Yes,
You
sir.
are Prince?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Fantastic. Exercise is going on, right? The people who you know that who do not take exercise at morning, they can take exercise here in this coaching, right? No. Okay. So, Prince, what's your dream? What do you want to become?
Sir, I want to be a successful man.
Successful person.
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. What do you want to say about the people? They leave their parents at the old age, especially.
They have to make sure that your parents have acknowledged you, and you have to make sure you have to support them in old age.
What is happening? You are doing this?
No, sir, I'm not.
No, sir. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. The chance, you know that time and tide wait for none, and that's why the time is moving with Rajneesh sir, and tide is waiting for there. Okay, all right. So here is Miss Vedanshi. Please come forward. You know the introduction of Vedanshi is she is the calmest girl of Khaga. Calmest girl. Even you can play DJ, you can play the song DJ Wale Babu. There is no emotion. There is no emotion, there is no attachment. She will keep on watching like this. So, do you like this song, DJ Wale Babu?
No, sir.
No, never.
Never.
Have you ever listened this song?
No. Yes, sir.
No, yes, no. Okay, right. Okay, all right. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. Does your father teach you?
Of course.
When does your father teach you?
Say
When does your father teach you?
he teaches me in morning time
Morning time. Why?
because nowadays holidays.
Evening time you don't like to be taught by your father.
Sir,
Evening
when
time.
there is a school, so he teaches in evening time. When there is no school,
Why he
holidays.
teach you evening time? Does he teach you morning time? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sit down now, please. Yes, sir. Sit down. Sit down. Very cheap. 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 Kinjal, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Never.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, fine. Do you like your mother?
Yes, sir.
What do you think about your mother? Tell me 5 sentences about your mother.
My mother is very hardworking woman, and my mother is very kind woman, and my mother is very soft, and she never scold me.
Never scolds you.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes he beats you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sit now. Very good. Miss Navika, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Actually, why do the people not understand what is the activity? Why they are just only sitting down? They have understood, right?
Yes,
but they
sir.
cannot control their emotion, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What do you think about the people?
Sir, they are gentle, but why they don't pay
What do you think
attention? I
about
don't know.
Falak?
Sir, she is a good girl.
Who is she?
Sir, she is
She
my
Chuttin?
sir, she is my
You
best
say-
friend.
You say
Sir, she is my best
what
friend.
yesterday you said? You said that she was a thief.
No, sir.
No, sir, never.
No, sir.
How can you say this? The girl came to your house. Remember that day? What happened? She stole your pen. She stole a sketch pen also.
No, sir.
Never.
No, sir.
Never.
Never.
How can you say this?
Because she is my friend.
She is your friend.
Yes, sir.
Come forward. Come to me. Come forward. Who is he?
Sir,
Who
he's
is
a
he?
boy.
Come forward. He's a boy.
Yes, sir.
What is the name of this boy?
Sir, Mr. Sahil.
Mr. Sahil. All right. Do you know Sahil?
Yes, sir.
Never.
No, sir.
How can you say this? What do you know about me?
Sir, you are a
Who am
teacher.
I?
Sir, you are a teacher.
Do you like nose ring? Which
No,
type
sir.
of nose ring? Which
Yes.
type of nose ring? Yes, sir.
No,
Very
sir.
good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Navika, today you are trapped. Please sit down. All right. Well, very quickly the people are being trapped. Very quickly. What is this? Let me kill all the girls. Then I will come to the boy. Let me kill all the girls. Okay. Today I want that the boy should be winner. Right? Hello.
Hi, sir.
Are you girl?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Do you like pani puri?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. See is not everything what you have to say. Right. Miss Anamika,
Yes, sir.
how many siblings do you have?
2.
2. Okay. In which school do you study?
One further
Okay, right.
and one study in jamming education.
In which school do you study? In which school do you study? Your school name.
SBM Inter.
Right. Tell me 3 sentences about your school.
My school.
Okay, give me the answer. Is there computer lab in your school?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are there digital boards in your school?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All right. Are there good teachers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Do you know me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sit now. Let me kill all the girls very fast. I want that there should be no girl on this earth. Are you agree with me? There will be. There will not be any girl. No, never. And then there will be only boy. Right. Oh, Palak is not a girl. Palak, are you girl?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What are the, please come forward. What is the definition of a girl?
Sir, they are very good and they are very sensible.
They are very good and they are very sensible. Okay, means Palak is not moving her head only, whole body. They are not only, wow, very good, fantastic. I like this. People also like you. Why do the people like you? What is the reason behind this?
Sir, they want.
Okay, they won't, that's why. Actually, Palak, I'm praising you. You speak very soft when you are emotional. Can you speak a sentence very emotionally before me?
No, sir.
No, never? Why? You know already. Please listen to me. Come here. Please stand here. Please. Any dialogue. Suppose that Navika is the person whom you want in your life. Say a very emotional dialogue. Say, come on, please.
Navika, you are my word. I want you in my best friend.
I want you,
In my best friend.
best friend. How? Will you spend your money with her?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Why?
Because
Beautiful
he's my best friend.
Come forward. The girl is very, that stubborn type of girl. What do you want to say about her?
She is very good girl.
शी इज वेरी गुड गर्ल। पलक आज सोच के आई है, जब तक जीतेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं। ओके कोई बात नहीं, डोंट वरी, कम हियर, कम हियर, कम हियर, कम हियर। पार्थ, पार्थ,
Yes,
डू यू नो पार्थ?
Yes, sir.
You don't know Parth?
Yes, sir.
You don't know Parth?
Yes, sir.
Why you
I
don't know Parth? What's the reason behind this?
Sir, yes, sir. I know Parth.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell publicly. Which cream do you like? Which cream do you apply on your face?
Sir, apple cream.
Apple cream? Apple is a fruit. We eat. You apply?
Yes, sir. Because it's very good.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Which type of?
Because
Which
sir,
type
by
of good?
using this, our skin is very good.
Very.
Yes, sir.
Like pudding? Wait, raita?
No,
lassi?
sir.
What? No, sir. How? What are you saying? You are basking my mind? What are you saying now? Please tell me now, please.
No, sir. I am not
what
basking
you are
your
saying?
mind.
What you are saying?
No, sir. I am not basking your
You are
mind.
not basking my mind. Why are you not basking my mind? She's not a good girl. Look at her. She's watching at you. She's giving
good
you a
girl.
smile.
She is
She's not a good girl.
She is good girl.
She's not a good girl.
She is good girl.
She's not a good girl.
She is good
She's
girl.
not a boy. Okay, right. Am I your teacher? I'm your teacher.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Do you hate me? Do you hate me?
No, sir.
No, sir. You're very stubborn. Please go now. Give a big hand, sir. Today nobody can trap her. Parth is here. Right. Parth. Very easy prey. आसान शिकार. Parth, are you okay? Parth, are you okay?
No, sir.
Parth is speaking like he's facing a hell. Like he has jumped into the river, right, from a bridge. How are you?
Sir, I am fine. I am fine, sir. I am fine. I am fine. I am fine. Firstly, I will. Sir,
No,
firstly, I will.
I am agree with you, Parth. I always agree with you. Why are you worrying about it? Okay. Parth, tell something about your father. Speak.
Sir, my father is a very good person. He is a lawyer.
Does your father beat you? Does your father beat
No,
you?
sir.
No, sir. Why? What's the reason? Who beats you?
Sometimes
Mother or father?
sometimes he beats me and also scolds me.
What type you wear inside of this?
Sir,
What? Oh, tell me now.
so
Have you want something inside it or not?
sir,
What? Have you want something or not? Yes or no?
yes,
No.
sir. Yes, sir.
No. What have you want? Okay, right. Come here. Right. Teacher is like a father. Father
Yes, sir.
can play? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. He is like a father.
All right. What do you want to say about Palak? Palak says that teacher is like a friend. Teacher is not like father. Teacher is not like a father.
So she wants to say that teacher is like a father. And yes, sir.
But Parth, in the present scenario, you know that people think that just only teacher is a person who is mean to earn money. Is it right? Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong?
Yeah,
You quite
yeah,
agree
yeah, sir.
clearly.
Sometimes it's got real, but sir.
You know, Parth is under pressure. He is not able to move this type of move. Yes or no? Nobody knows what is Parth. Parth, I know you are a very religious person, and many times you have prayed the character of Lord Ram. Could you tell us something about? No. This time you are not very clever. This time you are not very clever. Fantastic, fantastic. Hello, Sahil. Are you okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right. Nowadays, what's happening in your colony, Muhalla? What's happening?
Nothing.
Nothing. Why? All people are sleeping.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Right. Sit down now, please. I want a boy winner. I want to kill all the girls. Irasi, are you a girl?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hold the mic. Mike, hold the mic. Speak. Give your introduction. Give your introduction. Watching there.
My name is Ashmi Mishra.
Louder, 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 please. Speak louder.
My name is Ashmi Mishra.
I'm studying 11th class. I live in Khaga. My
Rasi, which
father's
section do you like in English? Literature, grammar or language?
literature.
Literature. You don't like grammar? You don't like?
So,
Yes or no?
say yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
What? Yes or no? Tell me
Yes,
clearly.
sir.
You like literature or not? Why are you getting angry with me? Why? What I've done with you? Where do you live in Khaga? Where do you live in Khaga?
Sir, nahi bola.
Where? In Chodakhet? Where?
Sir, New Market.
New Market. Nayi Bazaar?
Yes, sir.
Why is it still Nayi? The people have become old. The market is Nayi. What is this?
Sir,
What?
name?
Do you like your market?
No, sir.
No, sir. Sit down, please. No, sir. Sit down. All right. Hi.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hi, girl.
Hi, sir.
Hi, girl.
Hi, sir.
Oh, why are you getting angry?
No, I'm not getting angry.
Why are you not getting angry?
I don't know.
You don't know.
No.
Do you know something about your father?
Yes.
People are playing the role of ghost and spooky. Yes. Clearly. This one or this one clearly.
Yes.
No, this is the mix-up. Mix-up brand is going on. People are making it lassi. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Do you talk to your father?
Yes, sir.
What does your father say about you? You are a good girl.
Yes, sir.
He proud of you?
Yes, sir.
Always?
Sometime.
Sometimes. Why?
I don't know.
You don't know. Why you don't
No.
know?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, Aditi, let's talk on politics. Okay? Which leader do you like the most? Which leader do you like the most?
No one.
No one? Have you ever listened about our great Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi? Have you ever listened?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do you like him?
Sometime.
Okay, tell me any one decision. Tell me any one decision of him which was taken by him you like the most. One decision taken by him you like the most.
Like he made a temple, Ram temple in Ayodhya.
Lord Ram Temple in Ayodhya.
Yes, sir.
This one you like?
Yes,
This decision
sir.
you like, right? Yeah, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Why you don't like note banning? Note banning is a different thing. Note banning. 500 and 1000. Modi ji at 8 p.m. night through television we watch that. What don't you think about this?
It's good.
Note banning is good.
Yes.
Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Today her father will watch the video. He will think that my loving daughter has become mad. Is it right?
No, sir.
No, sir. Because of winning, the people have mixed up the activity and today just only behaving like ghosts. But don't worry, now we are moving towards another activity for finding the winners. But very first, Supreet, gentleman Supreet. Supreet, are you okay? Yes or no? Hold the mic. I will speak.
No, sir.
Ready? I will speak Hindi, you will speak English, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Ready?
Ready.
बताइए मैं जाऊंगा.
Sir, I will go.
When you are trapped, I will move to the next student. Ready? मैं यहाँ आऊँगा.
I will come.
I will come here. मैं आ रहा हूँ. Fast.
I will come.
मैं आ रहा हूँ.
I was coming.
I was coming. Wrong pattern. Sit down, no place. This is the best way where we can trap anybody at any time. Please hold the mic. Ready? Ready?
Yes, sir.
Speak up. Watching there. Hindi and you will in English, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
You can speak English?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
You cannot speak Hindi?
No, sir.
तो start now. Ready? बताइए. आप मुझे याद कर रहे हैं.
You are missing me?
You are missing me, okay? मैं आऊँगा.
I will come here.
किंजल आएगी.
Kinjal will come
किंजल मेरे
here.
साथ आएगी.
Kinjal will come with me.
किंजल will come with काकी.
Me?
Why are you getting angry like so? What I said? Are you okay? Yes or no? Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, right. So किंजल मेरे साथ आएगी.
Kinjal will come with me.
Okay. आप किंजल को क्या खिलाओगी?
What will you feed Kinjal? What will you feed Kinjal?
Wow, very good. You have been fantastic जगह ले. मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
क्या आपको जाना है?
Do you have to go?
कौन जा सकता है?
Who can go?
कौन आने वाला है?
Who is about to come?
किसे जाना चाहिए?
Who should go?
कौन आ सकता है?
Who can come here?
कौन मेरा साथ दे सकता है?
Who can help me?
Wow, very good. You began fantastic. Only 5 sentences more. Then the girl is in the that's the first zone. Ready? कौन इंग्लिश पढ़ा सकता है?
Who can teach English?
आप इंग्लिश किसके साथ पढ़ते हो?
Whom
आप इंग्लिश किसके साथ पढ़ते हो?
whom do you learn English?
फिर से बोलो.
Whom do you learn English?
Oh no, the girl is dead.
Sir, with whom do you learn English?
Sir is very, very kind, hearted, not beautiful person already. Okay, once again. मैं आने वाला हूँ.
I am about to come.
मैं जाऊँ?
What, sir?
मैं जाऊँ? मैं बोलूँ?
I should go. I should speak.
आपको जाना चाहिए था.
आपको जाना चाहिए था. जाना चाहिए था. जाना चाहिए था. You should have to go.
Oh yes, trapped it. And now the winner is Miss Rizaliti. Come here, please. Sit down now. Hold the mic. You'll have to face only 5 sentences and then you will be winner. Ready? Ready?
Yes, sir.
बताइए. मैं जाऊंगी.
I will go.
मैं बोलूंगी.
I will
मैं
speak.
आपसे बात करूंगी.
I will talk to you.
कौन मुझसे बात करेगा?
बात करेगा. Who will talk to me?
कौन गया?
गया. Who will go? कौन गया? Who will go?
Oh yes. Nobody is winner. All right. The activity is over. Please make the video off.